Welcome to Broomfield Tai Chi Chuan. In today's video, let's take a closer look at Tai Chi Walking. Before we begin, subscribe to my channel to keep practicing Tai Chi. Let's take a closer look at Tai Chi Walking. Tai Chi stances are very important in Tai Chi practice. Everything begins in your center, connects with the ground, and appears in your fingertips. But we can't execute the move and have the energy go all the way to our hands if we don't have a good connection with the ground, which means a very strong, proper stance. So Tai Chi Walking is just all about stance training. So let's go over that stance training and really break down what we're doing with each move. When we do stance training, I like to just put my hands behind my back and just focus on the stance. We'll do 2 stances today. Your forward stance, or gongbu, and your back stance, or shibu. In forward stance, we have our weight on one leg, and we step forward with the opposite heel. Now as I step forward, all my weight and my intention is still back. Then, when I feel comfortable with that heel, I shift my weight forward into my forward stance. Now I have 70% of my weight on my front and 30% of my weight on my back foot. My front toe is forward and my back toe is 45 degrees. This is your front stance. Now, to go into the next one, I shift my weight slightly back, my toe comes out, and my back foot comes up. Now, my hip is facing off in the other direction. I step out with my heel. Now, as I step out, I don't commit my weight, and I don't commit my center. So I step, but I should be able to bring my foot back. I step, then when I'm ready, then I shift my weight forward into my forward stance. Again, my front toe is forward, and my back toe is 45 degrees. And again, shift your weight slightly back. Your toe comes out. Your back foot comes up. Step out with your heel. Then when you're ready, slowly shift your weight into your forward stance. Now let's go into our back stance. To do that, we bring our back foot up a half step. Then I shift my weight back into my back stance. In my back stance, 90% of my weight's on my back and 10% on my front. My front heel is up, and my back toe is 45 degrees out. Now to step back, I bring my foot in, and then I bring it out, and I step back with my toe first. Again, I do not commit my center until I'm ready to step and shift my weight. Now I'm ready, and I shift my weight back, and my center moves. My front foot comes in and steps back first. Then I shift my weight back into my back stance. Front foot comes in, step back, and shift your weight back. One more, front foot comes in, step back, and shift your weight back. Let's practice that one more time. Into your forward stance. Start with your weight on your back leg. Step out with your heel first. My center is off to the right. Then, as I shift my weight, my center goes forward. Weight shifts back, toe comes out. Now my center is off to the left. I step out first, then I shift my weight, and my center comes to the forward position. Again, heel first, and shift your weight into your forward stance. Now, back foot comes up a half step, and shift your weight into your back stance. Toe goes back first, shift your weight back. Toe steps back first, shift your weight back. And again, step back first and shift your weight back. And one more, step back first and shift your weight back. Very good. Tai Chi walking or Tai Chi stances is very important in Tai Chi practice. Keep practicing consistently to improve your Tai Chi practice. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for all the latest Tai Chi videos. Stay healthy, stay strong.